What's up, curl friends? Welcome back to another episode of Wash and Go Wednesday, where I show you all different product combinations and current product favorites. Today I'll be doing a full wash day routine in partnership with Walmart, where I've been ordering my favorite curly hair products from their curl shop online. I'm going to be using some of my summer favorites and trying some new products today, which I ended up absolutely loving. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. As you can see, my hair is looking a little cray-cray. It's been in a braid for a few days, so it's still pretty clean, but in need of some serious moisture. My first wash day product I'm going to be using is one that I've been loving and using quite often, which is the Hairitage by Mindy Double Down Conditioning Wash Shampoo. This is a co-wash that does an amazing job at cleaning the hair and scalp, and since I've been washing my hair more often this summer from swimming and getting my hair wet, I needed something moisturizing and cleansing that wasn't a harsh shampoo. I've been using a lot of Hairitage by Mindy products lately, which are all under $8 and actually exclusive to Walmart, and many of their products are curly girl friendly, like this one, which is silicone sulfate and paraben free. And side note, I would normally be washing my hair in the shower, but I had to take advantage of this lighting, okay? After rinsing out the co-wash, I followed up with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. I've actually used a few products from this line already that I really liked, and this deep conditioner had a great scent and a really nice lightweight whip texture, which I thought felt pretty unique. I applied it all throughout my curls, massaged it through, and then put my hair into twists to leave it in for about 20 minutes. Then I went ahead and rinsed it out to get ready for my styling products. For today's styling products, I'm actually going to be using all Not Your Mother's brand, which I was very excited to finally try out because I'm definitely a little late to the party. For my leave-in conditioner, I used the Blonde Moment Seal and Protect leave-in, which was an extremely lightweight formula and had a slight purple tint to it to help tone the brassiness out of my blonde hair. I like to spray the product directly into my hand first so I know how much product I'm using. Then I go ahead and run the leave-in throughout my curls to act as a primer. For my curl cream, I was so excited to finally try the Curl Talk line, and let me tell you, it definitely lived up to the hype for my hair. I used the Curl Talk Defining Cream, which had a thick, silky texture. It was moisturizing and had a ton of slip, and I was very pleasantly surprised. I raked the product through my curls, adding a little bit more product to the crown of my head as it needed a bit more moisture, and then I went ahead and scrunched. Lastly, I used the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. I normally don't get my hopes up too much while trying gels since I'm so picky about them, but I instantly knew this gel was going to be amazing from the amount of slip and moisture, and the formula of the defining cream and the gel worked perfectly together. This gel says it's more of a medium hold with a flexible, firm finish, and I was overall really happy with the cast, and I could tell my curls were going to hold their shape. I ended up air drying and finishing off with the diffuser, and this was the final result. Lots of volume and very soft curls. All of the products I used today were curly girl friendly, very affordable, and available online at Walmart's Curl Shop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this routine, and I can't wait to see you on the next episode of Wash and Go Wednesday.